As you can see, the Syma 107 Metal Series helicopter is a very versatile little helicopter. I'm going to bring it up to you a little bit, give you a kind of a side view of the helicopter itself. Just a reminder, it does measure in at 7 inches from head to tail. I can do a complete turnaround on the helicopter, and as you can see, it's got blinking lights. At nighttime, it's really awesome to watch this helicopter. Turn a little bit. Very responsive as far as the controls are concerned. We're going to bring the helicopter up a little bit closer to the camera. And let's bring it up right in front of the camera. Turn away a little bit. There's the back end. I'm going to go forward. Turn around. This is more of an indoor type helicopter because of its size. It is only 7 inches. It's available in 3 different colors: red, blue, or yellow. Bring it up a little bit closer so you can get a bird's eye view of this helicopter. Now the charging time off the laptop or off the controller itself is approximately 15 minutes. Once fully charged, you'll get approximately about a 10 to 20 minute flight time, depending on how hard you push this helicopter. Bring it up a little bit for you. Turning left, turning right. I did a complete circle just now. We'll go backwards a little bit. Very responsive, for a little helicopter. And now we're going to bring it in for a landing. Go forward a little bit. And there you have it, folks. The Syma 107 Metal Series helicopter, available in 3 different colors: red, blue, or yellow. We have it on sale for $49. That's with free shipping, free batteries, and you can call us toll free, 1-800-239-2644. Ask for Peter, or visit our online store at www.tinycars.biz. Thank you for watching.